Alright guys, it is 8:13 and we are about to film I038. Not a time you see I038. I don't know why they are very late or what happened, but we're about to film them right now. This will probably be my last catch of the day. I don't know. Try to get the road numbers. $52.62 and $54.41. Shave and a haircut. Awesome. Very late there. It's about 7 hours late from the normal time they come through here. Assembled on that train is the CSX I038 double stack train. Pretty good size. That train starts off in Jacksonville, Florida, heads north to Charlotte, North Carolina, where it terminates. Pretty weird time to be saying it too.